Hi there. I've been asked to do a quick video here regarding Synergy and possibly showing you something that Synergy can do that maybe you didn't know about or that you probably did know about. Specifically, I'd like to take a look at how to make group mailings on Synergy and how to send messages to just a select group of students if you want. This kind of has come about, we did this up in Alexandria in lieu of writing out progress reports. We started working with Synergy and using some of the tools within Synergy to start communicating with parents a little bit differently. So let me show you what I do, and if that starts sparking some conversations, great. If you go to the home page for Synergy and open up one of your classes, pull down the home menu here and you are going to select the communication feature. Okay, pretty simple. And once you do that, this is the screen that's going to open up. You get a communication form, and this is who the email is going to be coming from. You see it's me. There's a box right here for a blind copy. Unless you really like to see all the messages that you sent, I would suggest not checking that box. This will, if you send out 90 emails or 120 emails, for each email you send, you're going to get an email saying that you sent it. And I don't think any of us need that. Down here you have some choices as to who do I want to send this to. And you can opt just to send things to students. You can send them to parents. You can send it to both students and parents, which is probably what I choose most of the time. Or you can just select a specific group of students and or parents. For example, if you have a population in your class that you would be writing progress reports on, maybe that's the group that I would select here. And if you select this option right here, what will open up is just a chart of all the different students and parents, and you can check the boxes on who you want to talk to or who you want to send messages to. The other option that I have here is the classes that I teach. And I can, right now I'm on period 3, but I can also, if I want, check period 6 and period 7. So I could send an email out to everybody at the same time. Then you have a subject box, which is kind of what you want to do, and maybe it's going to be mid-quarter for 2. Maybe that's your subject. You can title it whatever you want. And then you have a message box in here that you can type in what you want to have for a message. Down below, there's also a spot here where you can add attachments. If you are explaining a project that kids are doing and you want to put the handout in there, you certainly can. There's a lot of different things that you could do with that. And that's it. I sent messages out to all my parents a couple of nights before parent conferences, and I was just asking when parents came in and talked to me, did you get the email? And all of them did, and they were very appreciative of that. And the thing that I like about this function in Schoology is that it allows me to make more positive contacts with my parents instead of the only time really I'm getting a hold of parents is when kids aren't doing well in class. That generally is not a road I like to find myself on. I'd much rather, if they get a message from me, I'd much rather it be just an update on what's going on. Maybe I want them to check Synergy grades and see if there's anything out. And if they do have any questions, I will always invite them to either email me back or to call me at school. But if any of you have questions, please feel free to stop in and see me in Trone's room or catch me somewhere in school. And if you've got questions about how I made this video, it is made with something called Explain Everything on my iPad. And I'd be happy to talk about that as well. I think all the videos that I've made for my classes have been using this particular tool. I really do like it. So, there you go. Hope that helps a little bit. Thanks. Bye-bye.